everyone! So today I'm going to be opening up my collaboration dress from Favorite One and Tokyo Mew Mew. I'm really excited. As soon as I saw this collaboration was happening, I of course was overjoyed as the Tokyo Mew Mew fan that I am, and that this is such a beautiful piece of clothing. And I'm going to try to talk while I open up the bag so that I don't make this intro too long. So let's go! So it was mailed to me in a pretty classic just bag style mailer. I did order two things. The dress I chose to order was the Mew Ichigo transformation style dress, and then I also got a underskirt to wear under it because I really liked how that looked in the item photos, and so I decided that that is something I did want for myself. Also, shout out, I got acrylic nails today for the first time, which are probably terrible for me, but they're like little pink claws. Okay, it already looks so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I've never ordered or owned anything from Favorite One before. They are kind of like Otome, Lolita. I wouldn't say they're like specifically Lolita. I don't know how other people would choose to classify them, but they're just very elegant looking dresses, and they do a lot of anime collabs. I actually saw them back when they did an Ojimajidore Me collab, and I thought that was super cute. So it's just like super exciting to see like such a beautiful brand making beautiful clothes based off one of my favorite childhood shows. Other thing to note though, my biggest fear is that this might not fit me. I am not a super small human being. I'm kind of in the middle of things in the world, and so it's totally possible I got the LL size. There was either an M through L or an LL. It is totally possible that this won't fit me, so that's something we're gonna have to like discover together as someone who has a larger chest, and pretty hips should be fine, so it's really just my chest I'm a little worried about, but let's find out what happened. Ooh. Oh, the lace on this is so beautiful. So this is the underskirt. This isn't actually the exact one they had in the photo, because for some reason Rakuten, which is who I was ordering it through, wouldn't let me choose that skirt. I don't know if it was sold out or something else was happening, but I could choose a different one, and it has an elastic waistband, so hopefully it will fit me just fine. It's definitely not super long by any means. It will maybe go down to my knees, and I'm 5'7", and this should fit just fine. So I'm excited to get to wear that as well. And now onto the exciting part, the actual dress. And it doesn't look like they included any other sort of order information in here. But here it is. It's so cute. I was also really tempted by the Mew lettuce dress, but I figured I'd probably wear it more if it was pink. So, it has a bell on it. This is so cute. So this is the waistband. If we're going based off of this, I shouldn't have any problem fitting into this, hopefully. Still, I guess the chest is an issue. It has a clasp where you slide the two parts in. Does that make sense? Fun, neat, funky, and jiving. So I'm gonna show you the tags. I don't know what they say. That looks just... And then they have the favorite tag, which reads, "I will send you happiness. I'm happy and joy. Let's go to the land of dreams. Present for you." And then looks like this is number 20. We can see the tag is the Tokyo Mew Mew logo, which is really cool. And this is labeled right there as being extra large. Here, maybe I'll zoom you out. Hopefully I can give you all a good idea of what this looks like. So it has, so cute. Little buttons on the sleeves, puff sleeves. emperor waist. It does have belt loops. And then the bottom is like, oh, so cute and fluffy. Okay, I want to try this on. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on and try and give you any idea of what it looks like. Hopefully it fits. Let's pray. Alright, so I've been able to put it on successfully. I will say the sleeves are the only thing that's a little tight, and there are some other things that I'll show you about as I talk more about the dress. So I am going to try and show you more. My room is not set up in a great way for me to film my full body, so excuse me for kneeling on my bed. So the one main issue with having a larger chest size is this should be basically below where my chest is. Of course, my chest ends a bit more down here than the dress wants it to. So it rides down or rides up a little bit. Pulling it down does seem to help, but is something that you would have to kind of be finicky with. I hope I'm not super blurry. In terms of the bell, it's very cute, but again, like, noisy. So if that's something that would bother you, it might be something worth replacing if this is a dress that you yourself are interested in. I have kind of mixed feelings in terms of how this fits me. Unfortunately, I believe it makes my chest look larger than I would want it to. I might want to wear either a tighter sports bra rather than my normal, like, comfortable, casual, everyday bra with this sort of thing, just because it does kind of like amplify my chest, which is really something I don't love in a garment. So you can get a good idea of how the dress lays. I think this looks so cute, so fun. Again, because this isn't what was modeled with the dress, I think maybe getting a underskirt that had a lace that matched in color better might be a better option. This one is also longer. I did have to roll it up at the waistline to get it to be a more appropriate length. The dress is also fully lined in a nice satin, so it'll help you kind of stay cool and prevent the cloth from sticking to you. And this just like looks so cute. So I'm gonna finish off this video in this interesting lighting that makes me look very tan, so maybe I'll take it. I hope this gave you a okay idea of what this dress looks like. This isn't how I would have loved to film this. It's just really hard to film my full body in my room with the way the lighting works and the way my room is set up. I am going to be moving in about a month though, so in my next space that's definitely something I'm going to keep in mind more. I have a hair in my eyebrow. I will try and post some full body photos onto Instagram, so you'll be able to hopefully within the next week or so check on there and get a good look at it. I believe this collaboration is still available on Favorite One's website, and if you live outside of Japan, you can order it through Rakuten. I'm not sure if they ship to all countries, but I do know for sure they ship to the United States, so hopefully they can still help you out depending on where you live. Again, I don't know for sure. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like, subscribe if you'd like to see more of me or more Tokyo Mew Mew stuff, which will probably come along the way, because what is with all of these Tokyo Mew Mew collabs? It is so exciting. This dress is super cute. I'm hoping I can wear it to an elegant event, like a tea. Let's go to Cafe Mew Mew, my friends, with my claws. Alright, thank all of you so much. I hope that you're having a fantastic week, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye!